Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Palworld into your PC or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now there are two ways on how you could go ahead and do this, and the first method is by getting it through Steam. Now Steam is a video game distributor service, so it is completely trusted. Just go ahead and search Steam in Google, and you want to go ahead and make sure that you open up their official website. It's the store.steampowered.com. Inside, you want to go ahead and locate the install Steam button and just go ahead and download the file from here. After installing the Steam client, open it up and then you will be brought right through their storefront. And as you could go ahead and see, in the featured tab that they have right here, we already see the Palworld game. But if you don't, you still have the search tab right here. Just go ahead and search Palworld and then you will be able to locate your preferred game right here. In our case, it is Palworld. Go ahead and buy the game, and then from here, you will then be able to download and play Palworld on your PC or laptop. And the second method on how you could go ahead and install Palworld into your computer is by heading over to Xbox. You could go ahead and get Xbox in the Microsoft Store. So just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store right here. And inside, you want to go ahead and search Xbox and just go ahead and install that application. I'll go ahead and search Xbox right here, and we have the Xbox right here. Just go ahead and click on install, and then you will be able to install their application. Once done, go ahead and open up the client, and then similar to Steam, you will then be able to see the Palworld game right here. Just go ahead and search Palworld, click on it, and then you will be able to play it right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and always thank you.